So hello guys, today we are gonna overhaul the main air compressor unloader. This is the very important part of the main air compressor on board. So as you can see over there is a solenoid coil through which it operates and work as a magnetic valve. We are gonna take the reference from the manual, so we just put a printout of the diagram so that we cannot do any mistake. So guys, let's start dismantling. So first of all, we will remove the 4 Allen bolts from the top cover. Make sure to put the markings before opening any part so that while assembling you will put the parts on the right place. So guys, this is the upper cover of the unloader and this is a gasket, and if you do not have a spare so that keep it safe. After that we can see that there is the piston, so we will just take it out. As you can see, this silver color part is the low pressure valve, and inside this low pressure valve in between there is a needle valve which is a high pressure valve, and with a spring. We will just keep them separately so that we can clean all the parts. This is the piston with the o-ring, this is the needle valve with the spring, and in my other hand there is the low pressure valve with the low pressure disc. So as you can see, this black color is the low pressure valve disc with the set bolt. So if you see the condition of the disc is not good, you can remove it with the screwdriver and you can change it with the new one. This is an easy process. Just unscrew the holding screw and take out the valve disc as I am doing right now, and you can put a new disc. This is the set screw or set bolt, and the black color one is the disc. I just check it out that the condition is good, so I am not removing. If you see any irregularness or just any pits or the cracks, you can remove and just put a new one. So after that you will have to check the condition of the low pressure valve. If there is no marks and no cracks, you can just clean it up and put it again. So after that we will check the condition of the o-ring, and if you have the spare, just change it. Just clean it from inside with the compressed air. Now it's time to open the bottom cover. There are also 4 Allen bolts. So first of all we remove the 4 Allen bolts, and after that we will check is there any particle inside which is caused the leaking of the unloader, or it is just the disc, the high pressure disc. So as I already told you, just mark everything so that you do not put it in the wrong place. So as you can see, there is also a gasket with the bottom cover. Now to show you the high pressure valve, I have to remove it. It is just a little bit stuck, so I have to put some bit of force. So as you can see, there is a spring and the silver one is the high pressure valve. Then check for any marks over the high pressure valve, and after that this is the high pressure disc. You have to check the condition, and if the condition is not good, you must change with the spare one. Clean the inside parts as you do before with the compressed air so that there should be no dirt or any particles remain inside which may cause the leaking. After that you have to take a box spanner so that you can take out the high pressure pilot disc holder. That is just in between both the low pressure and high pressure valve. Just take it out. The small one part you can see is the high pressure pilot disc holder, and inside there is the high pressure pilot disc. We have to use the screwdriver to open this holder, and after that we can see the condition of the high pressure pilot disc. If the condition is not good and there is a pinhole in between the high pressure pilot disc and the condition is not good and uneven, so you have to change this disc with a new spare. I will just suggest you, if you are opening this unloader after a long time, you must change every part of this unloader. Inside this holder you can see a very small white disc, we can say. This is the high pressure pilot disc. That's it, we have removed all the parts. So now you can clean it thoroughly, and again we have to put all the parts back. You have to take the reference from the manual. Do not put any part in the wrong place. First of all, we will put back the high pressure pilot disc holder. So after that we will put back the high pressure valve. So must remember that there is the spring also with the high pressure valve. So if you forget the spring, that the unloader will not work properly. Put the spring in back of the high pressure valve and just put back the high pressure valve in the bottom part of the unloader. So that's it guys, thank you so much.